up on their feet quickly. Yeah, does anybody remember me? What was the game we played? What was it? We did something as follow me, right? Yeah, you remember the action? Yeah, can somebody show me what was the action? What was the action? Yeah, very good. What was this? We started with this, right? Okay. So when I change the action, you have to immediately change it along with me, okay? And you have to do exactly the way I do it. Yes, that was the game that we had, right? Okay, should we start then? Everybody is ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how will you show me if you are ready? Very smart. Yeah, great. All of you ready? Okay, let's start. You have to change quickly the way I change it, yeah? Very smart. Nobody is making noise. Even I am not making noise. Very smart. Okay. Very good. Nobody is making noise. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very smart. I'm really doing it fast, but I'm not making any noise. Any noise. Very good. Very good. Okay. All of you pat your backs. Very smartly done. Very good. Very good. Yeah. All of you please sit down. Okay. Are we ready for the class then?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Okay. I just want to go back and try and see if you remember the ground rules that we made, right?
Raise your hands when you want to say answer.
Okay. Athiya says raise your hand when you want to answer in the class. Okay. What else?
Take a pen.
Okay. She says only one person will speak at one time. Okay. When one person speaks, what will the others be doing? Very smart. I like the way Mohammed shows me. He says all of you will be listening. Very smart class. Okay. And I remember, though I didn't ask you what it is, all of you are doing this. What was this for?
No mask. No mask.
No mass answer. When you are ready, you will actually show me with this thumb that you are ready. Okay. I want your hands free. Absolutely free, without anything in your hand. So where were we? We said, who gave me this number? 332. What's your name? Okay, Sausif gave me this number 332. And then you said, in this number there are 3 hundreds, 3 tens and actually 2 units, right? Okay? Okay. I want you to take a look at this. Okay, this is one strip. I'm going to put it up. Can you all just mentally count how many are there on this? I don't want you to just answer me out of your turn. Okay, you have to count, look at it, count and then tell me. Yeah? How many are there? Okay, she says 10. What are you counting? You're actually counting the white tiles and the red thing that is there. Okay, I want you to take a look at it. Okay, I want you to tell me now. Okay, have you looked at it? Athiya, please sit down.
9.
Okay, Gayatri says there are 9 in this. Okay, so where do you think I should put this strip? If I am going to write hundreds, tens and units, where do you think I should put this strip on? In which column am I going to put it?
Hundreds.
There are 9 on it. There are 9 single ones on it. Yeah? So where do you think it will go?
Tens.
She says it's going to go on units. Okay, I'll put it up for the time being. Okay, but I'm going to come back and we'll see whether it's correct. We'll check it. Okay, now I'm going to show you another one. Now I want you to closely observe. I don't want anybody standing, because if you stand, you're going to disturb others. I'm going to come here. Okay, take a look at it. Okay, all of you are ready. Okay, who is going to go? Yeah, why don't you tell me? How many are there?
10.
How many are there on this strip? Show me with your hands. Okay, there are 10 on this strip. So do I have 110 strip I have?
No.
Yeah? How many? This whole strip is one strip. And how many have I got on that one strip?
10.
I have got 10. So where do you think I should put this now?
10.
We have 9s here till we have 9 separate units. Okay, so how many were there here? There were single 9 small units. The moment there are 10 in one strip, where do we move? From units to? Tens. Okay, so how many, this is 110 I have got. Am I right? Okay. Now what do you think? How many tens should go to make hundreds? If I have to make hundreds, how many 10 strips should I put? Never mind if it's wrong. We'll see whether it's correct or wrong later on. Yeah? At least have you taken a guess? Yes?
90, madam.
You have to put
Yes, ma'am.
90. You mean to say along with this one I have to put 90 more? Okay, let's take a look at it then. Is this the same strip? You can see it's the single same strip, right? All of you can look at it? All of you are able to at least look at one? Yeah? Let me see what we can do. Agreed? This strip and this strip is same? Yeah? Okay. Let's all of you look at it and see mentally whether there are tens here. I don't want you to count loudly. How many? How many do you have? You have 10. Very good. I like the way you show me. So let me see how many we have actually put. This is 10, right? Okay? Yeah. Okay, look at the second strip. It's the same strip. So how many do you think it should be there?
20.
Yeah? This is 10 more. Absolutely. So together 10 and 10. So 10, we are counting it this way. 10, 20. Okay?
30.
Okay, what did we agree as a ground rule? Very smart. We're not going to do the mass answer. Okay? Okay. Who will tell me next? Gayatri? Okay. Mercy? Okay. Abdul?
70.
Very good.
Madam.
Atia? Okay, you have 8 strips. Okay. Varsha?
90.
Okay. Yes?
100.
Okay, 100. Okay. Now I want all of you to sit down. All of you to sit down. Okay. Now count how many strips are there. This is what we said. 10, 20, 30, 40. We've got 100 on this big yellow page, right? I wanted to take your time. Tell me how many strips are there. The tens ones. How many strips have I put in? I want all of you to try and answer. I don't want only few people answering. Yeah? Okay, what's your name? Ruzma says there are 10 strips. Should we just cross check it? Yeah? Absolutely, right? Okay, can anybody tell me what is the number that I have placed here? Can anybody tell me what is the numeral for this? Can anybody tell me? Okay, let's start. How many units? 9. I don't want mass answers. I don't want mass answers. You have 9 units. Okay. I like the way, your name is Abhijit? Yeah, I like the way Abhijit is showing. He's just showing me the hands. Okay. So how much is there here? It's 10. So 110 you have. This you can't probably show me with hands, but you'll have to tell me. How much is there?
10, 20, 30.
Yeah, but together how many will they form?
100.
Absolutely. So what do you think the number will be?
190.
1 minute. You have 100, you have 10 and you have?
9.
So what will be the number?
190.
Are you following the ground rules? Yeah, Gayatri? Okay, she says the answer is 100 and...
90.
Is she correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you agree with it? Yeah? Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, every time I'm not going to show you these strips, but I'm just going to show you picture. Will you be able to tell me the numeral?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you ready?
Yes.
Okay. What does this big box tell you? What do you think it should be? Compare it to the one that you have done here. What do you think this will be? She says this is going to be 100. Agreed? So can I write 100 there? Absolutely. Okay. There is one green long stick. What do you think this is going to be? Yeah. Atia? Okay. This is going to be 10. And these small ones I have drawn, what do you think that is going to be? How many are there here? Look at this. How many are there?
2.
So this is what now? It's going to be 2 units. Okay, can you tell me the number now? Can you tell me the number? What should be the number? I like the way people are trying. People are trying. I want others also to try. Yeah? Okay, she says it's 100 and 100 and
12.
is it correct?
Yes.
It's 110 plus 2. So it's 112. Yeah. Can I show you the picture now? Will you quickly tell me what is the number? Yeah. As soon as I show you which number you have to tell me, that number you will write it in your book. Okay, we'll do the first one with the whole class, then we'll do the second one. Can everybody see if I put it here?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll put it here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I want you to look at the first one now. Only the first one. Okay? What do you think the yellow box is going to be? It's going to be 100. So if you have one box, it's going to be 100. Right? The 3 sticks? Mercy? Okay, it's going to be 3 tens. Right? So 3 tens means how many?
30.
Very smart. It's going to be 30. And small red ones, what are they? 4 units, right? So you need to tell me what is the first number, okay? And then we'll see how we can subtract. Okay? So who's going to tell me the first one? Now I want people who've never got a chance to speak up. Okay? So we'll wait for other chance. Zaid, you want to go first because you've not spoken? Yeah? Tell me. The first number. Okay, he says it's 100 plus. What's going to be the next one? 310. So what is going to be the number? 100 plus 30 plus 4. I want you to tell me the second one. The second one that I have put here. There's a yellow, there are 2 green boxes and 2 red boxes. Okay? Okay, she says it's 100. Okay, Zayed is showing me this. What does this mean? 2 tens. So 20 plus 2. What do you think is the numeral? 100 and? Okay. I just want you to stand up for 1 minute. Okay, have you done the rain noise? Okay. Now 1 minute. I didn't ask you to start. We'll start with 1 and go on to 4. Then what do? We reduce. We keep subtracting 1 finger less, 1 finger less and 1 finger less. Can we do that? Yeah? Yeah. First we increase to more, then we come back to less. Okay? Is everybody ready? Then we will start. I want everyone to be ready. Then we will start. Should I say start? Yeah? Okay. You have to keep watching me, then immediately change. Yeah, slower. Okay, I want all of you to sit down. What did we do so far? What did we do in the class? For subtraction. Correct. What did we do in subtraction? Can somebody tell?